Let's try my sister's makeup. I don't know where to start. There's so many choices. I don't know where to start. Maybe this one. You guys see me? Sino?
Si Mims yan o. Nagsisend siya. Ang balik ko na.
Oh, so cute. Now, which one is one? I'll pick this one. Oh. It's for the lips, I think. No. I don't know. I'll choose this pink color. This one. This pink color. This one. So pretty. That is so cute. Oh, so cute. My mom told me that I didn't wash the dishes, so don't mind it. And the dog paid me so. Don't mind that. Do I see it? I don't. Wow. Wow. So cute. Ayon, sorry. Wow. How cute. Oh, it's so cute. So, next. This black one here. For my eyelashes. Because you don't have iron thingy. So black. It's so black. It's so black. Give me something. Wish back. I made it work. Cute. Let me just load. Mano yung ginamit niya? Hindi. Ito si Mins. Si Min. Dikash? Ay, Maya. Maya. it is. It's 10:30 in the morning. Now some brown. Okay. Now the fun part that I've been waiting for. I'll do here because I cannot see if I am looking at the camera. Oh, my eyeliner! So cute. Cutesy. Wee, Jojo. Ma, nag-eyeliner ba si ate? Hindi mo kasi alam mag-makeup. Lipstick. Ito na lang gamit. This one, I'm just gonna use. Because I don't know. How to take it off? How to take it off? Why did I put it? No. Why did I put it? No, I look terrible. Is it off? I don't know. Oh my goodness. Okay, yeah. Ito. It's okay. Next, lips. Blush. Which one is here? Just peachy. Mom. Oh my. Ma, kung naging makeup artist ka nga, gusto mo yan? I cannot see the pink. Oh God, mo. Boop. Boop. Hindi maganda masyado accent ko sa English. Hindi naman kasi ako Englishera. Wala masyadong there's so much pink here and there's one here. Ay, my eyebrows. I mean not eyelashes. I don't know. Now let's move on to lipstick. This one. I'm into ASMR. My mom is in kung sino nakakaintindihan dyan sa akin, very good. Mag-umpisa kasi ako eh. Wait, mamaya. I like na lipstick ko, yung eyebrows ko is, ano kasi ginawa ko, no, I don't know what did I do. Diba? Which one? Ay, nga po. Birit bakis. Mapalad ang mga subscribers tapos may play button na ako. 100k subscribers, may play button na ako. Oh, bro, ako na ako. Ang sakit. Kahit 2 pa lang yung subscribers ko. A long way to go. Ang pangatang lipstick ko. Ay, masyado marami. Look amazing. Mang, red ng lips ko. Look at me. Di ba trying lang naman to? I am still learning. True na naman ng true si mama. Ano na naman to? Yes! When? So when? When you close me? Mali! Wrong. Am I done? No. Let's add something there. Twinkle, boy, twinkle, twinkle, twinkle. Ganda naman ng music mo, ma. Tuk, tuk, tak, tak, tuk, tuk, tak, tak. Alam, ganda ng final look. Goodbye. See you next time on 1 o'clock p.m. Okay, bye-bye.